Alright, so I'm doing a little side project for one of my subscribers asking me about martial arts styles for a deductionist to learn. And I've been doing a bunch of studies. I've studied barjitsu so far, fencing, boxing. I'm into bow staff now, and I don't have a bow staff. I didn't want to spend $40 on a bow staff, so I'm here at a small local hardware store. I'm going to show you guys the process of making your own bow staff. I'll show you the things you need first. You'll need sports tape or duct tape or some sort of tape like that for the grip, and then a dowel rod. This is 1 inch and 1/8 diameter. I was going for 1 inch diameter, but this one's what he had, so this is the one I got. And then you'll want metal washers that will go on the tips of your dowel rod to give it some weight. So let's go ahead and see if we can find that. Alright, back from my short shopping trip, and I've got everything I need. I've got my dowel, which is 1 inch and 1/8 diameter. You want to get one that is as straight as possible. This one's pretty straight, so that's good. The tips aren't perfectly level though, which is a slight issue. My washers, you want ones that will fit closely to the edge, to the end of your dowel's diameter. Got 8 of those. Those are going to add as counterweights on the bow staff. Helps it grip better. And then I got the duct tape. Now this is about 4 foot 4 inches. You want one that's roughly a foot shorter than you are. This is a little shorter than that. This is almost 1.5 feet shorter than me, but it's the best length I could get. And for a beginning practice, that's fine. From what I understand, bow staffs can range quite a bit. The length and the diameter is not all that important, as long as as long as it gives you something to practice with, and that's what this is intended to do, without me spending $40 or upwards. This cost me altogether roughly about $7. $1 for the rod, a few cents for the washers, and then I already had the duct tape. So you could also use sport tape. I think that would make a better grip than duct tape though. So let's put it together.
Come the moon and water meet, somewhere close to harmony. When the world is sound asleep, something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take, something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take, something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
I think sports tape would have been better than duct tape for a grip. It is designed to grip better than duct tape is. But I think for a first time, for less than $7, this is not bad. These cheap methods are designed so that you can mess around with it, try different versions of the same weapon until you find the one that you like, one that has a good balance, one that has a good weight, one that has a good length, and you can mess around with it. You can customize it until you get the size and length you want without spending $40 on a bow staff that you may not even like. Upwards of $40. Like the cheapest one I found was about $40. And it can be very easy to get one from one company that's one weight and you like that, and then the next one you hate. So that's the bow staff. Mine, anyway. I like it so far. Haven't really had a chance to use it, and it's way too cold to go outside and use it right now. But probably get some practice in at some point. So I am indeed working on that martial arts tutorial, like I promised. Not tutorial, martial arts video that I promised. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.